Sweeney, and I will be helping you in this workshop. We at TalSmart design movie-based technology sales training since most sales professionals we spoke with said they were fed up with the generic cookie-cutter sales trainings, boring PowerPoint presentations and complex methodologies. TalSmart training programs leverage the principles of neuroscience and technology case studies, which are presented in the form of videos, specifically targeted for IT, software and technology sales professionals like you. This approach makes learning easy, helps develop new sales skills faster and applies what you learn immediately in your day-to-day jobs. Let me give you a brief about your prospecting case study for this workshop. Cigna is an American multinational managed healthcare and insurance company, headquartered in the Broomfield, Colorado. Their key strategic goals include leveraging deep consumer insights, offering service innovation, and providing direct-to-consumer capabilities. These goals have largely been a successful endeavor, and they have experienced double-digit growth in the past few years. Cigna's current IT strategy for the future includes focusing on customer-facing systems that will enhance value in specialty, claims and retail. 3 key strategic areas of improvement are customer benefit administration, digital health and care. They are looking for the delivery of advanced analytics and predictive intelligence to provide areas of competitive advantage. Improving their customer-facing systems is critical to achieving their corporate goals, including expansion into more specialty markets. I am sure you will enjoy this session with our IT sales expert and coach, Wilson Rumble, to explore it further with our predictive prospecting model,